What is going on, docs? Gang. Okay, today, guys, we're gonna be doing a little bit different kind of video. Okay, we're not gonna be doing a tutorial today, as you can tell by the title. Jesus Christ, this robe is starting to piss me off. Guys, today we are going to be diving into a little bit of a different topic other than beat making. Today, I'm gonna show you guys how you can make money selling your beats, or streaming your beats, I should say, on all the biggest streaming platforms like Spotify, Apple Music, Tidal, Pandora, you name it, all of them. And even ones that you've probably never heard of before. Guys, this website that I came across, it's a really good tool for producers, artists, especially producers working with artists, because we'll just get into that in a minute. But this is a website called DistroKid that I came across. This is a website where you upload your music and it publishes to all streaming services for a low fee of $20 a year. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I will show you guys how you can get it for even cheaper than $20 a year. Okay, it's crazy. Okay, this is only $20. All right, it's $5 a month to upload unlimited. That's another thing. It's unlimited uploads. You can upload as many beats as you want, just with the $20 a year. So that's a dope thing. Some good features about it are that it copyright strikes. So you know how when you get copyright striked on YouTube, people are using services like DistroKid to upload their music. But DistroKid, as soon as somebody uses your beat or song that's been uploaded to DistroKid, it will get copyright striked immediately, and you get the money for it, for that video or whatever. It goes straight to your DistroKid account, and it's pretty dope. Another benefit would be getting royalties on your placements. So there was an artist that I was actually working with, I think last year, who actually told me to make a DistroKid account, but I was like, nah, too much money, even though it's only $20 a month, or a year, actually. I was like, nah, that's too much money, blah, 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 this, that. Meanwhile, he's making money off my song, and totally fine. I'm totally fine with that. I mean, it's his song now, he bought the beat, whatever. But I honestly feel like I should have gotten a DistroKid account earlier, but we have one now. So don't make the same mistake I did, okay? I lost a lot of money doing that, and well, I'm not gonna do that again, okay? So it's another good reason why. Good reason, because coming from my personal experience. So don't be as stupid as me, okay? Definitely get a distribution account. I prefer you go with DistroKid just because it's just so easy to do. And we're gonna go through a tutorial in a bit. Another thing, when you upload beats, they are up in upload music. They're available on the streaming platforms in 24 to 48 hours. Sometimes same day. Well, 24 hours is the same day. But yeah, I've heard that other streaming services like CD Baby and other things like that don't really, they take a little while when you upload them. So yeah, it's alright. Next and last, guys, this is probably the easiest thing to use. When I went on this website, okay, and I started using it or trying to look around it, I haven't uploaded anything yet, but when I saw the process, I was like, this is, a child could do this, okay? A literal child can make a song and upload it, probably by accident, honestly. Like, it's that easy, okay? When we're gonna get into it, trust me, okay? Trust me, all right? But DistroKid, if you're trying to sell your music on all the streaming platforms, and especially for producers, since I know a lot of producers don't really, you know, make music, it is good to pick up those royalties, okay? So you need an account like this, okay? Especially if you're selling beats to these artists and they're making money off your beats, you need your royalties. So I suggest you make an account on DistroKid, all right? It's super easy. So with that being said, that horrible intro, we are going to now show you guys just how, I am going to show you guys just how easy it is to use DistroKid, okay? And I did say I was gonna help you guys save some money, because we all like to save money, all right? I don't like spending money, okay? That is obviously why I didn't make a DistroKid account before this, okay? So I'm gonna show you guys that right now. All right, so let's just have my computer, and I can't see a damn thing. I'm taking these off. All right, I'm not that cool. Okay, we're just not. All right, you guys, we are now on my computer, and Alright, I did say I was gonna save you guys some money, and here we go. So make sure when you're signing up for DistroKid, head to the link in the description, okay? It should say http://distrokid.com/VIP/. I don't know if that is your boy. Okay, go to this link, you'll get a 7% discount off of the $20. You know, I don't even know why I'm saying this. Look, you can read it right here. The link you click ties you 7% off your first year membership. Sign up now to see your discounted prices. Okay, guys, this is super lit. Definitely take advantage of this. Okay. So what you're gonna do is, well, not there. That's a sign. Then you just use it. Look at how, first of all, look at how quick it is to sign up. 3 things are required: email, password, and then your password again. That is it. You're done. All right. I've already have an account, so I'm not gonna sign up again. But that's really it. And I think you have to like verify your email to like, you know, add banking information, all that stuff. But you know, I mean, that's easy. That's easy. Like, come on now. All right, sign up. Very simple. So I'm just gonna sign in right here. Okay, all right, so here is the DistroKid dashboard. Not much going on here, but wait, we'll get to that. You'll see in a minute. Okay, so here I think is where all of the stuff that you've uploaded, all the music that you've uploaded should be. But since I haven't uploaded anything, there's nothing there. But we're gonna go through that. All right, so if you want to upload your music, your album, your single, whatever, go to upload. All right, click that button right there. And here's the form to upload your music. As you can tell right here, it shows you the online stores where you can stream your songs and sell them. So guys, look at this. First of all, look at the size of this list. Okay, we got Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, TikTok. I didn't even know you could sell music on TikTok, honestly. I honestly didn't even know that. Google Play, YouTube Music, Amazon Pandora, Deezer, I don't know what the hell that is. Tidal, Napster, iHeartRadio, Claro Musica, 7KK, guys, so many different streaming services, all right? I would just leave them all selected just so that you can get that ultimate reach for your music. So it says number of songs. We're just gonna do 1 song, but like if you have an album, you can do up to 35 songs, okay? If you're feeling like you want that little 2-part Scorpion type album, you got 35. You can upload up to 35 songs. I don't think 35 songs are on a Scorpion, but you know what I mean. All right. Previously released, well, the one I'm uploading, no. But this is obviously if you've already released a song, you want to re-release it on DistroKid. Let's say you uploaded it originally on CD Baby, and you want to transfer to DistroKid. That's where this will come in. Artist, band name. You already know. It's your boy, Northodox. You dig? I can't even spell. Okay, there we go. The artists already have music. Well, I've never uploaded anything on Apple Music and Spotify, so I'm just gonna leave it as none of the above. And also, if you want to verify if this is you, you can literally click on it and see if this is you. If you've uploaded stuff already, and this is obviously not me, I have no idea who this is. All right, whatever. Release date. What's today's date? 5th. We'll just do tomorrow. Pre-order. That's another dope thing, because you know on iTunes where they have that little, when songs don't come out yet, they have that little pre-order thing. I guess this is how they do it. So if you want to get those pre-release sales or extra revenue, there's your thing. All right, pre-order button is there if you got your fans like, oh my god, I want this to come out. I'll pay for it. If you don't have a record label, I mean, honestly, it says, I think it says to make one up. Yeah, if you're unsigned, make up a new label, anything you want. Yeah, we're just gonna do Docs Records, because you know what I'm saying, we in this. Alright, so, and it also says now choose an album cover. Oh yeah, so you need a very, very high quality image if you want to upload an image as an album cover, because you do not want to get rejected on the iTunes and Apple Music and all those other stores. Real quick, I'm just gonna make a high resolution image. There's a few rules, like I was saying earlier, about the whole image thing, because these iTunes stores and whatnot, they kind of want you to have, you know, they want to put up the idea these are professional music artists. We need high quality images. So there's just a few rules here. It says don't increase the size of smaller images to make them bigger. This makes the image blurry, and stores reject blurry images. So yeah, don't do that. Okay. Stores also reject artwork that contains website addresses, URLs, Twitter names, any images that are pixelated rotated, or poor quality. They also reject artwork with prices, store logos, and blah blah blah. So basically, just make sure the artwork, it's clean. All right, you don't want it to look anyway. Just leave it clean. Oh yeah, and the last thing about the artwork, make sure it's your own images, okay? Nothing you find on Google Images. I totally didn't find that logo of Lamborghini on Google Images. Next we have the languages. So what language are you rapping in? What language are you singing in? Stuff like that. Obviously, well, I mean, it's a beat I'm gonna be uploading, but you know, it's whatever. English, primary genre. Let's just do hip hop rap. Oh no, that is not our primary genre. Hip hop rap. Secondary genre. I'm just gonna do hip hop rap again, just cause. Yeah, we don't do anything else here. Song title. What beat am I gonna do? Let's just upload Acid. Alright, and there's also extra things here. So there's a featured artist, you know what I'm saying? You follow the convention of the little parentheses, feat, whatever artist, blah blah blah. Parts or volumes, you know what I'm saying? You add that as well. And you know, instrumentals, things like that. Actually, you know what? Let me add the instrumental thing. Just because. Actually, you know what? No, because it's not a real song. I'm not gonna do that. Actually, you know what? Yes, I am. Instrumental. Alright, cool. And then the audio file. Whatever file you're uploading, the music file, this is where you're gonna upload it. I know we've been doing a whole bunch of other semantics and all that, but now it's finally time for the actual audio file. If I can just find where I put it. Jesus Christ.
6.5 hours later.
There we go. WAV file. Songwriter. I wrote this song. Oh, well, I mean, I didn't write it, but I, you know, produced it. It's pure heat. Songwriter name, I'm just gonna put my name. And explicit lyrics, no. Radio edit, no. Instrumental, yes. No. Alright, and here is the fun part. You can choose your price. So you wanna do, there's 3 different price models. There's 69 cents, there's 99 cents, and there's a $1.29. So if you wanna, you know what I'm saying, choose the cheapest price, there's that. If you wanna do the basic 99 cents, there's that, and 129 is there. There's a few extras when you are, you know what I'm saying, uploading your beat or a song. You can do, you can add to Instagram Music, Facebook, or Instagram and Facebook music stores. First of all, I didn't even know they had a store for music on Instagram and Facebook. I mean, music and story. Oh, music and stories. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, that's lit. When people in their Instagram story play music, I didn't even know that. Wow, yo, DistroKid is lit as hell. I actually had no idea. And it's free? Oh, wow. Okay, well, yes, let's do that. You can be bumping my beats in your Instagram stories. All right. Store Maximizer, distributor automatically deliver the single to new online stores and streaming services as we add them, which is often will give you notice each time we add a single to a new streaming service. Alright, well, there's that. And this is just for new streaming services. So if, like, let's say new streaming service called Docs comes out and is like, oh, we want DistroKid to start adding stuff to our store, it'll be automatically added without you having to go back to the re-upload process and doing all that stuff. But that's an extra $7.95 a year. It's only $8. It's not bad, actually. Shazam and Siri and iPhone Siri, yo. This is dope. This is something I probably do. And it's only $1 plus a year, okay? So basically what this option is, it allows your song to be recognized by Shazam or Siri. So like if there's a song in like a club or like a restaurant that you hear, you're like, ooh, it's kind of heat. I like this. Yeah. You're like, yo, hey Siri, what's the name of this song? And then you know how Siri listens and it's like, oh, the name of this song is blah, 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 blah. And it tells you. That's how you get your song to be discovered by Siri or Shazam, the original app. But that's dope. Leave a legacy. I think this is, yeah, so basically if you die, your songs will stay on the store forever. Kind of morbid, but yeah, I mean, hey, kids are gonna be collecting them royalties, so good thing to have, I think. You can even add this to YouTube. I still use music as a store. Yeah, obviously, blah blah blah. Record music. Yeah, this down here. These are some important checkboxes. Okay, you wanna make sure you read over this. Okay, this is like the fine print agreement things. I mean, it's not really asking for anything crazy. It's just like, you just like to the YouTube music store. Yes, okay. We want people on YouTube to hear our beats. Okay, I'm a YouTuber. Okay, I want people to hear my beats. All right, I recorded this music. Of course, y'all think I got ghostwriters? Do I look like I got a ghostwriter or a ghost producer? No, I am the greatest producer. Okay, moving along. I am not using any other artist name, song titles, album titles without their approval. Well, no, of course not. Obviously, you know what I'm saying, there are other unorthodoxes and whatnot, but I mean, obviously they'll know. I mean, I'm already an established YouTuber, so I have a brand, so I mean, that's not gonna get me in trouble even though I have duplicate names. But if it's deliberate that you're actually trying to, like, you know, use, let's say, Lil Wayne's name and you're putting your little BS song on there, they're gonna be like, what are you doing? Get off DistroKid. Don't do that. So yeah, don't do that. Just use your original name, use your original music, and you know what I'm saying, we should be lit. All right, and when you're done, hit the done button. It's gonna verify it's uploading the album artwork and the track. Oh, did I name this track? Yes, I did. Okay, cool. I was like, track 1. What? That is not the name of the track. So right now they're uploading the track to DistroKid, and when DistroKid verifies that, they'll send it over to the streaming services, and the streaming services will verify it and then put it on their services. And as you can see, our single is done. All right, and we can preview it. So let's preview it here. So as you can tell, there's already a Spotify link to the song in the store. Guys, I'm kind of excited right now. I have never uploaded anything to Spotify, and it's never been this easy, okay? This is crazy, all right? I feel like an artist now, okay? I feel like a pro now, all right? You're always on Spotify, okay? So if you click on the link, it'll probably take you to Spotify. I'm already signed in to Spotify. Like, I literally have it right here. Why do I have to sign in again? All right, you know what? Whatever. Spotify is not, but you get the idea, okay? Spotify. I'm sorry, but Spotify is just not cooperating with me right now. But I mean, the store's not out yet, but you know, or the song's not out yet. But when it drops, you'll be able to see it on all streaming services, which is really cool. And it's like, you wouldn't even think it'd be that easy, but like, you know, technology is crazy nowadays. And yeah, so thank you for DistroKid. Thank you for sponsoring this video. And guys, honestly, I normally don't do sponsors, but like this is a really good tool for musicians, all musicians. I feel like all musicians should have a DistroKid account, or you know, because it's just that easy. Like, that was quick, and pretty sure I don't even know if they save settings, but guys, get on the wave. All right, get a DistroKid account. Use my link in the description if you want. Don't forget, 7% discount, okay? I know, you know what I'm saying, we like to save money, so I got you. Use my link, my affiliate link, 7% discount, all right? Sign up, links in the description, all right? I hope this helped you guys. And yeah, I'm gonna see you on the next video, and peace.